We're gonna be talking about Reels editing, and we're gonna kind of do like tag team this one. We have so many like behind the scenes clips that I wanted to kind of just compile into a little mini vloggy kind of
BTS type of video.
Premiere Pro is my baby. I feel like I gave birth to this program.
I feel like you need to like teach me how to use it.
Yes. Making sure your workspace is set up is the first thing that I really want to go through with you. So under my workspaces, something set up for Reels editing. So now look, if I click Reels editing, it's going to move my screen around to like what I normally.
That's so cool.
Right? And you can create your own workspaces and like edit the way that it looks based off of the different tools that you want to have or need. Essential Sound is a great panel to keep up. Again, if you have like talking to camera, because there is the audio, there we go, audio enhance. If I like create a new sequence, I like think of it as a new video within the same project, right? And I'm gonna resize this sequence to be for Reels. So it was 1920 by 1080. Now I'm doing 1080 by 1920. It's like a longer video. What if we just like take it and pull it to the side?
Yeah.
Tell me this is not
so
amazing.
Smart. I actually never knew you can do this.
Sequence number 3 is all of my raw clips, and sequence number 4 is the video that I'm editing. Okay. So I want to stack this and bring them down so I can see 2 timelines, because as I cut through the clips that I want, like let's say I want this clip here, I can literally drag it down. What you can do is now go to Window, Workspaces, and then save as a new workspace.
Oh my God.
And do behind the scenes. Like, I'm sorry, can we get a round of the applause for the Premiere team? Because this is what we have needed. So now that we're kind of in here, I use the C key and it brings up this little razor, and then I just like cut it and then play, and then like let's say I want to cut it there, I'll just cut this now. Press V, and that's gonna be now back to your select tool.
Okay.
Bring this baby down. What we'll do is we'll just keep kind of playing through the clips. I love this. We're just having way too much fun over here, you guys. Now's the real test. Are you ready to cut the clip yourself?
Oh my God, wait. I feel like I'm being put on the spot. You just do that, right?
Yeah.
And then I would literally just end it there.
Okay.
And then V, right?
And V, and then you drag it down. Oh my gosh. She is a Premiere Pro girly now. I'm so proud. And we're just gonna delete these spaces to start bringing everything in really close together. Okay, and then what we'll do is I'm just gonna drop in
some audio.
This audio. Do you see this like tiny little square here?
Yes.
Okay. If you drag this, that's your fade
out.
Okay. Yeah, fade in, fade out.
Yeah.
There we go. Oh my God, I love it.
Love it.
So great. We're gonna pop over to Samantha's screen.
Whenever you guys have like any videos that you want to upload with text on screen, the easiest way to do this is you just open up Express and just click upload, and you can upload them straight from your computer. So I'm just gonna bring this one in. This was a reel where, you know, things in the Adobe Office that just make sense. And then we're just gonna play around with it. So get rid of this one. Like even if we do like something like simple like that, and then we'll add in a new text box.
Cute.
And then if you just continue doing that, and then you're done.
That's like so easy.
Yeah.
Don't be afraid to like really play around with the different programs and the settings and the features and all the fun stuff, because the more that you do it, like the better it's gonna get.
Practice makes perfect.
Practice makes perfect is our new motto. So this here, we have created an Instagram Reels planner. Just gonna drop a QR code on screen for you all.
That's so cool.
Chat, scan the QR code, grab your Reels planner. Thank you so much for joining in. Thank you so much, Samantha, for sharing all these juicy tips.